The policeman them in Jamaica act like say them above the law. Like them want to play a judge, jury, and executioner. Because they can kill a man easy right now and nothing no come out of it. Them can do whatever them please and get away with it scot-free. No matter the crime where a policeman do, me never hear say one of them get arrested. So they can kill, extort people, beat up regular citizens of Jamaica, and then get away with it scot-free. And that's why they feel like they have all that power, you know? Because the law depend for them side. So no matter what them do, the law are going to be there to protect them. When the law for there to protect we as a citizen. Instead, the police them serve and protect. Them they have to beat and oppress.
Hello guys, greetings. For my subscribers and for my new subscribers, I'd love to welcome you on board. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching me from. I'm Larry and I'd love to welcome you on board. So today I have a very disheartening video that I'd love to share with you. But before we commence, I'd love if you support me by giving me a subscribe, a like and a share. So let's have a look at this video and then we'll talk more on the comment section. Thank you.
Mom, may I video? Stop and confirm, please. Mommy, go into the vehicle. You call them anytime. Go into the vehicle. Mommy, say go. That's what I'm saying. You're going to the headquarters. Okay. Go into the vehicle. No, go in on the vehicle. What's your mama, your video? Leg off of me here. Mommy, what is that? She don't know right now? She leg off of me ear. Go into the vehicle. Mommy, go into the vehicle. Mommy, relax. Leg off of me ear. Mommy, she asked me so. Mommy, who wants to know what? Officer. Just go in the vehicle. No, but she. Mommy. If you put up his hand. Leg off of me. Mommy, stop it, mommy. Mommy, here. No, here, in the type of man go. Stop it, man. Hello, she come out and she say.
Nobody. Go in that vehicle. You want to go in that vehicle?
Officer, just release her here.
Release some of my Shanda
I want
arrest.
you, Shanda arrest. I'm in the time going to have for clothes. I want you, miss. Now you come grab me.
Go in that vehicle.
Go in the vehicle. You come trouble me first. If the lady can talk to you, she can stomach. She said, come on and come on. And you're pointing on my face. Don't point on me. Me didn't lick you. They're asking me. That is an assault. They're asking me. And I'm going to ensure that I charge for everything. I don't care. Good. Go into the vehicle. Mommy, you're just making things worse. Relax. Shusha asked me so what kind of work I said I can come from here to this store. You come out in a house. You're not supposed to disclose my job to you.
Let someone stand down there.
You're not here. You're not here. And you come lick me first. Me never did trouble you.
Let someone stand down there.
Yes, I come out and come home and I said to you, me and the lady I got you here to come lick me. Me never lick you. like this way. Look here. I like it. Mommy, relax. So whether you take it or not, you're gonna have to go in the people. So you better you relax yourself on the let's make the leg go off from the ear.
Oh, she will release it here if I don't make that.
So release your hand, release your hand from the nose.
She's gonna release it.
Release it. Sir, and you make sure say I have no money to buy back my chair. Just make sure I am broke. Realize. You realize. How will she be able to be?
And then an handcuff.
Oh, where back with her girl?
Next door.
Something, you know.
Not a tie strap.
Let go from it.
You have handcuff there, handcuff.
Let go from it. You can't crash, let go from it. Make it crash.
Yeah. You need a tie strap or something.
She alone can't go in there. She's going to make it crash. What the next game? Let go from it. Pull out your bike. Pull out your bike. Let go from it. Pull out your bike. Tell them that you tear off the clothes. You tear off the clothes. Tell them a lie, yeah. What's that? What's your fingernail cover up? Hey, woman, move from your say now. Move from your say. Excuse me, get up and sit in the chair. Stay there, miss. So put the handcuff where you put for me. Put the handcuff. Stay there. Mister, stay there. Chin. Put the handcuff for me. You see, I put the handcuff so stay for me. Stay there. Look here now, I'm going to send the unit come to assist now. Don't want you to have my clothes now. Done. Renee, come up a police station here. The police are up at school and she has said the police have left the premises, right? I go to the gate and when I go to the gate she come when you so. The point up my hand she come lick me. Never know. You point your name on my face, tell them. Yeah, but that not your right to lick me. You're idiot. The police right girl. Because you're certain. Police girl like you. So how we are called girl? Just come here let them here.
The money for giving me, but I'm not going to the same birthday now and pay us out. I get it. But I birthday money to
Mommy, I video. Stop and confirm, please. Mommy, go into the vehicle. You call them anytime. Go into the vehicle. Mommy, say go. That's what I'm saying. You're going to the vehicle. Okay. Go into the vehicle. No, go in on the vehicle. What's your name? Let go from me here. Mommy, why is that? She don't know right now. She let go from my ear. Go into the vehicle. Mommy,
So guys, I hope you've watched the videos. You know, after just watching them, those videos have really raised a lot of questions in my head, because that's so unprofessional from the cops. I mean, the same cops we expect to protect us, you can imagine them doing that. So we've seen the first video of that police woman harassing the mother in front of the school gate. I mean, what picture is she portraying to the kids? I mean, we can all see the children over there standing, just staring and watching. I'm probably sure that there are kids who are very frightened, because why would a police officer do that? We can hear clearly the mother from the video telling the police officer that if you have to take me in, put handcuffs on me without harassing me. I mean, that's so unprofessional of those officers. You can see that police woman biting the mother's arm. Well, I'd love to call upon the leader, or rather the inspector general of the, or generally of the police, and these unprofessional officers, they should be dealt with and punished, because that's not the right way to deal with a citizen. Dear friends and families, police officers, they are supposed to protect us. I mean, everybody has rights. You can see, or as you've seen, we have a video of that boy who was pepper sprayed by a police officer. I mean, that was so much for me to actually think that it was an accident. Why would a police officer do that on a schoolboy? Why? The same police, we expect them to protect and defend us. They are oppressing us. I mean, who are we supposed to be afraid of? Are we supposed to be afraid of the same police officers? Are we supposed to be afraid of these police that we actually should be proud of them protecting us? That's the worst police behavior I've seen. Most of all, mishandling a civilian and a citizen of your country in front of us kids, in front of a school gate. You know, that makes me wonder if these officers went through the correct training. Well, my fellow brothers and sisters, I'd love for all of us to speak up our voices, for all of us to call upon this unprofessional police brutality. Let's speak up for our rights and let these unprofessional police officers be dealt with. Let them face the the punishment for their actions. That's so, like, of all the people, there are a lot of things we should expect from everyone or anyone, but such police brutality in public, in front of children, who knows if the mother's kid was among the ones standing at the gate just watching? What example is that police officer portraying to the kids? I express my sorries to those who have come across such police brutality in their lives. And such things can only be stopped if we speak up. The power lays in our hands. We have the power to do everything. For instance, we have the power to make sure these police officers and any other person who violates a citizen's rights, and that's by only speaking up. So guys, let's make this a trend. Hashtag stop this police brutality. Our rights as citizens of a country matters more than anything. Anyway guys, I can't just express whatever I'm feeling, but I hope we take a step forward to stop all this. We have the power, and let these unprofessional police officers be punished for their actions. Without having more to say, I'm Larry, and for my new subscribers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. And for my followers and for the viewers, I want you to know that you are much appreciated. And thank you for the support you are showing me and for the support you've shown me all through this journey. So let's engage in the comment section. I don't know what to say, guys, but I'm still having the flashes of that video, and it's just getting me speechless. Otherwise, thank you for being with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for accompanying me in this journey. Subscribe, like, and share. Peace out.